This is NALCO, National Aluminium Company Limited, monthly chart. And a couple of days back, I had drawn a few trend lines on the monthly chart. So these are those trend lines. Starting from here, then this is approximate channel. Though there are not too many uh, touch points, uh, just two touch points, or this one, if you consider. No, not that one. This one, two, just an approximate channel, though they are not proper trend lines as such, but they are showing a channel. Here low one, here somewhat close, here it touches during that pandemic month, extreme pandemic, I mean when it broke out. This is March. So though you cannot actually call it as a proper trend line, maybe because hardly just two places where it is touching. This one is second, and maybe probably this third one. Okay, yes, this is but recently though, but okay, three we can call it, but it is representing some kind of a channel. If you observe this from April 2018, or even before, you can see this kind of a fall which has come, and then in this channel it touched here, and then it tries to go up in the recent months. Yeah, it has made green candles, but you see this kind of four-sided this area here, and again if I draw this another channel, see passing from here and here, and again here, then this is something on a larger picture looks like a V, slow V. I mean, slow V-shaped kind of movement might be it wants to do, though we cannot say anything as of now. But what I can see here is this candle, present month candle, September 2020. See that this first of all this channel, okay, this channel where the candles were moving, it touched this bottom, and then here it tries to move up, but then again from this side, this old line, very old, right from 2015, which I said, to the sorry, not from 2015, 2018, okay, April 2018. Yeah, exactly, you can see this candle here, then it tries to cross it, and then in the present month it's just 10 months, 10 days of this month. Today is 10th September 2020. It is resting on this. That means this line has some importance. Okay, so let me again check out on the daily chart. This is the daily chart, and obviously I see some kind of significance. These are those same lines which I drawn on the monthly chart. I need to explain this so that freshers can understand what I'm doing. This channel, it is that same channel, just the chart has been changed to the daily candle frame chart, and this is again that same channel, the new one, the upside movement which it was showing. Anyways, what I want to say here is, just see here, just yesterday and today. Today is 10th September, Thursday, and this one after day close. This is the condition, and yesterday was 9th September. Okay, and what picture I saw on the monthly time frame, we can decode the story to some extent here on the daily frame with respect to the same trend lines. Look at here, look at this candle, 17th August 2020. This is the first time I'm seeing. I have not studied it before preparing the video. Directly while preparing the video, I do all this analysis. You see this exactly crossing here, and the next day, probably, I am not sure whether it has made a it has jumped upside or whatever. I need to go and see it in 15 minutes chart, but I'm not that much interested. However, what I can comment here is that the next day here it has touched this week. That means this line, you know which line I am talking about, this one which was coming from April 2018, and now we are in September, August this year. As of now, we are in August 2020. While I'm talking about this candle, you can see the date below. So this line was acting as a resistance, and the next day, this line became a support. Can you understand? And yes, that happened. Up till this day, I'm explaining this for freshers. For others, those who have been analyzing markets, they know it. Please bear with me. For freshers, please understand. This line was acting as a resistance. Okay, resistance meaning it was not allowing to go upside. You can see on this date as well. It tried to move up, but then it came down before closing. Here again, it made an attempt to go up and stay upside, but no, it had to come down and then a red candle. Here on the borderline, so this was a pure resistance. And on the next day, that is on 18th August, it jumped and then probably it jumped and then it took a support here. Hmm? And when it took a and when it has taken and when it took a support here at this level, the next day what you can see is this effect, right? So that means from the support it bounced upside for the next couple of days, one, two days, right? So 2 days it jumped upside, okay, and then upside, if you observe here, it could not sustain, okay, but at least here there was a signal that for 2 days that the closing on this day was above this level, so the resistance line became a support line, and this these two candles. Then these falls, technically I'm not able to find out what how it has come, but this fall. Anyways, here again I get to understand the story, and as many of us who are associated in the learning process of with the markets often tell that take a decision somewhere near the resistance or near the support. So again, you can see here while it came down here, you can see it jumped, right? This is recently. This has happened recently, 8th September 2020. Here, after that, the next day it jumped down, right? But then that means this support was broken, and again on the next day, obviously when this support was broken, and for yesterday after day close of yesterday, this line was again the resistance line, and then it jumped and it has closed upside today on 10th September. So these are some technical observations. Please note these are only technical observations, and do not trade or invest based on my views. This is a disclaimer, because market can change direction anytime without following technicals. It can follow some news, or it might not follow any technical or any news. But you have to take your own decisions only after doing lot of study. So this is on your own. Okay, so these were only the observations, and again I'm telling, do not trade or invest based on my video, this video or any of my videos. And acknowledgement, thank you investing.com for the charts. Thanks for watching my video.